Okay, boys, today page 48, we are going to start. We are going to talk about making solutions. Know that what a liquid evaporates, when a liquid evaporates from a solution, a solid is left behind. When liquid evaporates from solution, a solid left behind. A solution is made by dissolving a solid in a liquid like water. When you mix something in water, that becomes solution if it get mixed. Sand grains, salt grains, and mixture of sand and salt grains. This is a mixture. When you mix something, that is called mixture. From mixture, you can separate the substances or things, but in solution you can you have to evaporate the water or any liquid. Look at the pictures of sand and salt grains above. Where have you seen these substances before? We have seen many times. Predict what will happen if sand and salt mix is added to water and stirred. If you stir it, if you stir this salt and sand, salt will be mixed in water, but sand will not mix in water. Sand will go down, okay, into the bottom of the glass or something. Solids, liquids, and gases can be mixed together. Some solids dissolve in water. This means the solid cannot be seen anymore. It will be mixed in water. The solid has not disappeared but has mixed into the water. A liquid with a dissolved solid is
مستر
called solution. Michelle, let me finish.
انزل تحت شوي انزل
A liquid with a dissolved solid is called, in it is called solution. There are lots of examples of solutions such as salt water. Salt water. Is sea water is a solution? Is sea water a solution? Why? This is the question. Yes, it is solution because salt is mixed in it. So this is a solution. We use solutions in our everyday life. Coffee is a solution. It's a hot water. It's hot water with chemicals from the coffee beans dissolved in it, into it. Medicines
السلام
such
عليكم
as
استاذ عندي
aspirin.
الساعة.
Walaikum salam, Jassar, welcome. Aspirin can be dissolved in water to make them easier to swallow. Fruit juices are mixed with water to make a solution. Okay, question is write 4 examples of solutions that you have seen. Number 1, coffee. Number 2, tea. Number 3, sea water. And number 4, you will write here by your minds. Okay.
ملك يا مستر ملك.
No, milk is not a solution.
مستر ما اسمع شيء.
Vanish anything that I mix in it. See what happens when I add salt to it. The salt vanishes.
مستر على صوت.
Michelle, just listen. Okay.
مستر الشاشة
اوكي.
الشاشة قاعد تعلق.
There is problem in your internet. Check it please again. Okay.
حتى مستر عندي معلق.
Okay, boys, here is the video. Okay. Watch the video and then we will talk about it.
مستر. No voice.
When this boy mixes the salt in the water, it got mixed in the water, right? It mixed in the water.
Mister.
Mustafa, you can hear me, right? Everybody.
Mister,
Yes, Wafi.
I can hear you, but the video I can't hear anything.
Okay, I am telling you now, okay? Now I am
Sir, if
explaining.
you put
With that. Now I am explaining, okay? Be with me, Faris and everybody. When the boy mixes salt, yani milh, salt in the water, it get mixed. But when the girl throws some solid which is not soluble in water, the boy said, I can't mix it, right? Why? Because this is not soluble. Okay? Now check. Look, when you throw salt particles in the solution, in the water, salt is called solute, okay? And water particles are called solvent. Water is solvent, which is more than solute, okay? If you throw salt, it goes inside, okay, and takes the place. The boy is saying, when I throw sugar, the same thing happens. Sugar also get mixed. Sugar also mixed in water. When you mix sugar in the water, that is called sugar solution. This is water. Water is a solvent. The solute is added to it, the solvent. It's sugar or salt or anything, okay? This is green powder is the solution, solute. The water is solvent, sugar or salt or anything is called solute. Then we shake it, mix. It gets mixed in the water. So if the solute dissolves, we say it is soluble. We make a new solution. Sugar is the solute and water is solvent, right? Solution is the mixture of solvent and solute, right? You got it? Got it, boys? Peace out. You can hear me, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Mister.
I
I hear you.
Okay. Now we will move towards next page. Okay, page number 52. Page number 52. Okay. Making solution, the main topic. Know that when a liquid evaporates from a solution, a solid is left behind. The same. Sieving, filtering, and evaporation can be used to separate mixtures. List 3 substances that dissolve in water, yani which are mixed in water. Salt, sugar, and copper sulfate. These are soluble in water. List 3 substances that are not dissolvable in water. Sand, wood, and plastic are not dissolvable in water. Understand? Any problem, Battal Saleh and Faisal? Jassar? Understood? You can hear me, Battal Saleh. Jassar? Okay?
Yes, sir. فهمت خلاص.
Okay. If you mix insoluble material in the water, most of them just sink. when it go into the bottom, to the bottom, rest of them float around the water, but they do not dissolve in water. How can we remove water from substances? Removing the water, this is the topic. We know that, okay, let me zoom in. We know that we can remove water by heating. When you heat, water evaporates in the shape of steam. The water will evaporate. This is useful, but not if we want to keep the water. A simple way to separate the solids from water is to use filter paper. This is the way. Filter funnel, filter paper. The filter paper is full of very small holes. They make holes here. Water runs through the holes and is caught the beaker here. The insoluble solids cannot pass through the hole, and they are here. You can see insoluble solids. The insoluble solid cannot pass through the holes. They are called the
Why?
filter funnel. The method is called filtration. If you have these in the water, you will put them into filter paper, make holes in filter paper. The water will go down into the beaker and you will get the water separate and the other solid objects separated. Right? This is it for today. If you don't understand,
Yes.
you can ask. Thank you.